My name is Sabrina Durling-Jones, and I'm an instructor at Emory Henry College. I'm also a doctoral candidate at the University of Applied Sciences in Riga, Latvia. And I'm an immersive artist. I work with emerging technologies and computers. So I created this installation for Martin Luther King Jr. Week, the celebration of his birth and his life. And the installation was created using a technique called neural resonance field visualizations. And so what I do basically is train a machine learning model on just an object from images that are captured of that object. And I can fly a virtual camera through the nerf and create video representations of objects. And so this particular installation is called Echoes of the Dream. And Emory and Henry students have the opportunity to share with us their dreams for the future. And so those are incorporated in the installation using Martin Luther King Jr.'s Nobel Peace Prize acceptance speech as also another conduit to tell this story.
I dream of a world where people see others as immeasurably valuable and do everything in their power to make sure their needs are met.
We must speak up when we see injustice.
I dream of a world that allows individuals to be themselves.
I dream of a world where we have the courage to forgive and move forward.
I hope for a world where equity takes precedence over profit, where all individuals, regardless of race, gender, sexuality, or religion, stand on equal ground.
I dream of a world where we all have equal rights, especially the right to our own bodies and our own autonomy.
I dream of a world where nature is protected and we work collectively to find ways to live sustainable lives.
My dream for the world is that we would all take care of each other and the earth.
We need to remember that basic protest is not radicalism, and that most people in this country who feel wronged can probably find some common ground. There is valuable knowledge to be gained from people who are other than us. My dream for the world is that love would replace all forms of hate.
If you'd like to experience this immersive installation, you are invited to the Black Box Theater in the McLaughlin Center for the Arts, and it will be running or playing on a loop between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Friday night and also Saturday night.
I still believe that we shall overcome. I believe that unarmed truth and unconditional love will have the final word in reality.